Welcome to your latest update for Scotland from the Met Office. Plenty going on over the next few days. Bit of sunshine, some more rain and some very strong winds on Wednesday. Through Monday nights, outbreaks of rain continue across the southeast. Should slowly be easing off, but perhaps some of that rain just trickling up the east coast for a time. So we may see a few spots, certainly in Dundee. Edinburgh turning a little drier by dawn, but across the borders it stays fairly soggy. Elsewhere, well, we'll see a few showers in the breeze getting across the Western Isles, but most of the country will be dry. And for most of us, light winds, clear skies this time of year is going to mean a frost. Temperatures likely to drop well below freezing, -5, maybe -6 or 7 in one or two places. And even in towns and cities, we'll dip down to -2 degrees there in Glasgow, for example. So a chilly start to Tuesday, a frost for many. We'll start frost-free in the southeast because there'll still be a lot of cloud around and a little bit of drizzly rain early on, but it should be petering out reasonably quickly. A few more showers coming in over the Highlands and the Western Isles. Elsewhere, though, a fine bright start to the day and a bit of sunshine will soon melt away the frost. As we go through the day, not a great deal of change for many. In the east, central belt and the south, it'll be fine and bright with lengthy spells of sunshine. We'll notice, though, the wind starting to pick up in the northwest and the cloud increasing here as well. But again, bar the odd shower, most places will be dry. Late in the day, we could get up to 8 or 9 Celsius. For most, though, after that frosty start, we'll be about average at 6 or 7 Celsius with light winds in the sunshine. It shouldn't feel too bad for the end of January. But the winds won't remain light. They're going to really pick up as we go through Tuesday night and into Wednesday. The cloud will thicken. We'll see a little bit more in the way of showery rain. But notice this more angry-looking band of rain up to the far north. That is a weather front tied into a deepening area of low pressure that's kind of going to stick to the north of us. But as it moves through, look at the isobars really squeezing together there during Tuesday night and especially into Wednesday. So we're a bit concerned about the strength of the wind, getting very windy as that system moves through and staying blustery really through the rest of the week with further weather fronts at times, potentially bringing a bit more rain. But so on Wednesday, that weather front will bring a spell of heavy rain swinging across the country and those very gusty conditions, particularly over the far north, but almost anywhere there could be some disruption due to the gusty winds. I could see issues with transport problems and, of course, ferries and bridges, that kind of thing. The heavy rain will scoot through reasonably quickly, but it could be pretty intense as it moves through down towards the south by the end of the day. Following on, it will turn a bit brighter, but we'll see lots of heavy showers swinging in across the north. Thunderstorm as possible and some winteriness in those showers as they come in also, because behind that cold front temperatures will dip, so we may get to 8-9 degrees for a time on Wednesday morning. By the afternoon it'll probably feel colder with the strength of the wind and that colder air in place. Check out the Met Office weather warnings for yourself on our app and on our website, and don't forget to check out all of our YouTube channels.